In this video I will show you how to delete post on Facebook. So first open Facebook and step, this is a step follow you, and how to do post to delete. So first open Facebook, after that click profile icon, this profile icon is click and scroll your photo, choose which post to delete. I want like this photo delete. So first three dot click and this window open and choose this icon and move to archive. Click your photo deleted but permanently not delete, go to archive. If you permanently delete, go to archive. Not archive, you go to, then after 30 days automatic delete. So immediate delete, I go to archive option and first click three dot, then setting, privacy and setting, click, after that setting option click and scroll down section under activity log. So click activity log, after that this archive option you can click and this is my photo recently delete, you can see. So select and this select and all select here and press button, you choose right side, not restore. If you restore, here restore and trace move trace. You can see archive option empty and then back, after that trace option open, all deleted and delete option here. So all delete, select and three dot right side click and delete option, this is so, and delete, permanently delete my photo. Here password, confirm it. After that permanently delete. Okay, I don't want permanently delete photo, so back. If you want permanently delete, confirm password and submit. Permanently delete your photo on Facebook. So this is a way, follow you, and any problem, this is a step follow you. My video informative, so like and subscribe.